Cavaliers are through to the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup semifinals. And they top the group. So you know, say, ching ching. But not only that, they performed well for it. Not only that, Mount Pleasant with a dire, a horrible, a horrendous performance. I don't know what that was. But in the midst of it, they were robbed. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. All right, so one, let me make this clear. I have an image of the goal, the first goal that Real Hope scored on Montego Bay, on Mount Pleasant, my apologies, on Mount Pleasant, which showcased or showed that it was an offside goal. I will touch on that when I touch on the Mount Pleasant game. But let's start off first with the YouTube stuff by hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button. And thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate the support. Hopefully you guys are doing good and you're having a wonderful day. Like, share, subscribe, and all those stuff. I would really appreciate it if you do so. All right, let's first get on this. Let's get on the Cavalier game. I do think that was a really good performance from Cavalier FC. And time again, they just keep on getting it over the line. I don't know how, but they just keep on getting it over the line. And it's testament to what they're doing. I have to say it's testament to what they're doing. I'm going to bring up on the screen the goals that they scored in today's encounter. Let me just give me a sec, people. Big performance from them, I have to say. It's a noteworthy performance, and I have to say that hats off to them. Hats off to them. They have done well again, time and time again. They have done really well. So let me just see if I can just bring up the screen so you guys can get to see it. So let me just bring this up. Formation. Where is it? All right, so it now come out. Let me just see if I can bring it up back. My apologies. Good. All right, so here it is. Let me just go show you the goals them. So you guys can get on see the goals them that scored. I have to say these are actually some really good goals. So let's go to the first one. This is the Onyx Garden goal scored by Shea Smith. Nice bit of work there by the Onyx Garden team. Good bit of movement there from, as you can see, cross to the back post. I think they could have done a little better with the defending. Is concerned right there. I really believe they could have done a little better. But good goal by Shea Smith. Wanting to score for the longest while. Finally get his goal. Let's move now to when Cavaliers turn things up. You can see going on the right-hand side. You have some really good players. Chip inside. And a header to the front post. Keeper had no clue. I think the defenders were a little bit flat there. Next goal here. Turnover. Nice bit of work. And that was a little bit poor. Really poor. Nice work from Busy. Goalkeeper was really high. Starting from quite a high position there. Unfortunate again. But that's the nature of the game. Busy went down injured. But game wasn't finished for him there. Another work here. Pass inside. Brilliant pass. Nice pass here. And a shot on goal. And I think that is Stein. First one was Calvin. And I believe that's Stein. Oh. Okay, it's Calvin again. Double. And Calvin get the man of the match. I think there should be another goal. Unfortunately, it's not there. Anyways, let me move away from that. Let's get back into the aspect. So Cavalier advanced, top in the group. That's a good look for them. I do believe that this would have meant that they are in brilliant position. Maybe they're going to play second place in Group B in the semifinals, which I do think. Let me see if I can. Group B, they're going to play Mocha. So they will play Mocha. Yeah, I think it's Mocha, second place, first place, second at all time. Yeah, so not a bad look outlook there for Cavalier FC. I do think that the players, so a team of young players, they just consistently, boy, as a Jamaican supporter who support all Jamaican football, it is really a good look, a very, very good look. But as the fact that I'm a local supporter as well, a supporter of a local team from a different team, you know, a little bit of bad mind business, yeah, a little bit of that tonight. I said, boy, there's always to get the job done. I'm very happy because it's outside. But it's when they do it in the league as well, you're hot, man. Because, you know, and then they beat up my side as well. Boy, may I tell you. Anyways, I assume that they're just doing good here, man. They're just doing good. I think Mr. Speed is doing really, really well where Cavaliers is concerned. A squad, when you look at the bench, a lot of 17 and 18-year-old on that bench, the youngest team in the competition, and look how well they're doing. Now, let's get to one of the senior teams in the competition in Mount Pleasant. So, congratulations, Cavaliers. Me bad man, you know, because I don't want my team to do it, but because you not do it, you represent us well. Big up on yourself. Massive, massive respect. I have to say. I have to give credit where credit is due. And, you know, when talk more about them again, then we will see what is going on. But them are do really, really well. May I tell people, them are represent Jamaica extremely well on all front. They know, and them are do well in the local league. Blows and skirts, sir. Why? All right, let's get now to Mount Pleasant. Let's get to Mount Pleasant. Boy, every turn, Mount Pleasant turn, Cavaliers show them up. Cavaliers are consistently show up Mount Pleasant everywhere. All right, first of all, let's get to the goal. The opening goal. Where is it? Let's get to the opening goal of the competition. I'm not gonna bring it. This is actually when the player just gonna kick the ball. See that man half-side position, long time. I look at the linesman. Oh, him not see that. Look at the linesman. Oh, the linesman don't see that. Oh, the linesman don't see that. Why? Anyways, other than that, it was a dire performance from Mount Pleasant. A really, really bad performance. I'm not saying it's not a case in which I say, boy, everybody look half full. But I do believe that I've seen better. I've seen 10 times better from Mount Pleasant, performances from Mount Pleasant than that we saw. Daniel Green wasn't on it. Bradford was in moments. Nicholas Nelson moments as well. But in this type of competition, moments cannot carry you through. You need consistency. You need, look, as I said, look on Cavaliers. Cavaliers are very, very consistent. They are very consistent right throughout their games. Right throughout from the first whistle and consistent. Even when they lose, you can see that they are consistent in what they are doing. Mount Pleasant, most of the time they are playing in patches, and when they have them good moments, they're not finishing. Kuku get to Nicholas Nelson get one on a platter. Daniel Green, one on a platter. Half chances for Bradford, 1 and 2 half chances for Bradford, and they just didn't. For me personally, I thought that Sole McCullough was the best player on the pitch. He was so good. He was really, really trying on the ball, off the ball, getting in areas, relieving the pressure of the team. He was really good. I thought Anglin was good as well in some aspect, but I thought the defense, I don't know. Mount Pleasant, you have to do better than that. They're out now. So next season again for them. It depends on how this season goes for them. I think they're likely possible contenders to go back as well. I do believe that we might see Mount Pleasant back into a final based off of certain things. Even if I tap on it there, it doesn't matter who is there. Tapa do well so far. So I expected a lot better from them. I wanted to see 2 Jamaican teams in the semi-finals, and if possible, 2 Jamaican teams in the final. That is what I wanted. I want to see. I really, really wanted to see that. Unfortunately, it didn't materialize. I knew that Cavaliers would have already advanced. They were in a good position. Arnett never necessarily a play for anything. So they me already out. But I want to see Mount Pleasant advance with Cavaliers. I would love to see them in the final, playing off again, and the two of them going to the concacaf Champions League. That's what I wanted. But unfortunately, that's not the case as it stands. But let's see how this one let's see it continues. Well done again, Cavalier. Don't know. Me have a support, When you get me support same way, so once when the nicer league, when you get me support, but I say go still. Me have to go with me 100% support. Same way, but not in our league, not in our local league. Know what I mean? Not just because international competition and I support Jamaica. So I support, But I'm not going good. I have to give credit for that. But I don't know, say, go and do it and play every game as it comes. Big up on yourself. Mount Pleasant. Next time again, next year again. Good try. Good try on it. I have to say you guys had a good preseason, win the CFU, but I thought that you guys would have done a little bit better because you guys were actually in better form. But that's how football is sometimes. But let's see how this one materializes. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Boom. Now, where the outro there?